In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove saved passwords in Microsoft Edge. If you've ever changed a login or want to clean up old credentials, this walkthrough will show you exactly where to go and what to click so your browser only keeps the passwords you still use. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once it's up, look to the top right corner for the three dots. That's the menu button, sometimes called Settings and More. Click it to open the drop-down. From there, choose Settings. This opens a dedicated settings page in a new tab, which is where Edge stores all the controls for your profiles, privacy, and autofill features. On the left side of the settings page, find Passwords and Autofill. This section groups everything related to saved sign-ins and form entries. Click it, then select Microsoft Password Manager. You'll now see your list of saved websites and usernames. If you use multiple profiles in Edge, make sure you're viewing the correct one. And if you have sync turned on, remember that any changes you make here will update across your other devices signed in with the same account. To locate the specific website you want to remove, you can scroll through the list or use the search box at the top to filter by site name. When you click on an entry or try to view its details, your device may ask for your PIN or system password. That's a normal security check to protect your data, so go ahead and verify to proceed. Once you've found the right entry, click the side arrow next to it to open the details, and then select Delete. Confirm if you're prompted. That's it. The saved password for that site is now removed, and Edge will stop autofilling it the next time you visit. If you're cleaning up several entries, repeat the same process for each site you want to remove. A quick tip before you delete a lot at once. Make sure you still know the current login, or have it stored somewhere you trust. Deleting a saved item is meant to be permanent, and if sync is on, it will disappear from your other devices as well. If you remove something by mistake, don't worry. You can always resave it the next time you sign in by choosing to save the password when prompted. That's all there is to it. Open Edge, head into Settings, go to Passwords and Autofill, enter Microsoft Password Manager, find the website, and delete the entry. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you tidy up your saved passwords in Edge with confidence.